Welcome back to S Studio Car YouTube, the place where passion for cars meets the thrill of discovering the world's most exciting machines. Today, we are diving into a car that represents pure Italian emotion, lightweight engineering, and thrilling performance. This is the 2026 Alfa Romeo 4C, a sports car that continues the legacy of Alfa Romeo's racing spirit while embracing modern design and technology. If you love cars that focus on driving pleasure rather than just numbers on paper, then this story is going to capture your imagination. The moment you lay your eyes on the 2026 Alfa Romeo 4C, you immediately understand that this car is something special. Its design is aggressive yet elegant, combining sharp lines with smooth curves that reflect Alfa Romeo's classic Italian style. The low stance, wide body, and sculpted side panels give it the presence of a true exotic sports car. Every angle of the car is designed to cut through the air while also creating a visual masterpiece. The signature triangular grille at the front proudly carries the Alfa Romeo badge, reminding everyone that this car comes from a brand with more than a century of racing heritage. Moving around the car, you notice the dramatic air intakes carved into the body, feeding cool air to the powerful engine hidden behind the driver. The headlights are slim and modern, giving the front end a focused and determined look. The carbon fiber construction keeps the body extremely light, which is one of the most important secrets behind the 4C's incredible performance. Instead of relying on huge engines or massive horsepower figures, Alfa Romeo focuses on lightweight engineering, making every movement of the car feel sharp and responsive. Step inside the cabin and you immediately feel like you have entered a cockpit designed purely for driving. The interior of the 2026 Alfa Romeo 4C is minimalistic yet purposeful. Everything is focused around the driver. The seats hug your body tightly, keeping you stable during aggressive cornering. High-quality materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum surround you, creating an atmosphere that feels both sporty and premium. The steering wheel is compact and perfectly shaped, allowing the driver to maintain full control of the car at all times. In front of the driver sits a modern digital display that provides all the important driving information in a clean and simple layout. Alfa Romeo understands that in a car like the 4C, the driver should not be distracted by unnecessary features. Instead, the focus remains on the connection between the driver and the road. The center console includes a refined infotainment system that supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and audio controls, but it never overwhelms the simple beauty of the interior design. Now let's talk about the heart of the 2026 Alfa Romeo 4C. Behind the driver sits a turbocharged engine that perfectly matches the lightweight philosophy of the car. This powerful yet compact engine delivers impressive horsepower while keeping the overall weight incredibly low. The result is explosive acceleration that pushes you back into your seat the moment you press the throttle. The sound of the engine is pure music for car enthusiasts, a sharp and energetic tone that echoes the racing DNA of Alfa Romeo. Thanks to its lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the 4C feels incredibly agile on the road. Every steering input translates instantly into movement. The car corners with surgical precision, allowing the driver to feel every inch of the road beneath the tires. This level of feedback is something that many modern sports cars have lost, but the 4C proudly brings it back. Driving this car is not just transportation, it is an emotional experience. The suspension system has been carefully tuned to balance comfort and performance. While the car is clearly designed for spirited driving, it still manages to remain surprisingly manageable on normal roads. The low center of gravity helps the car stay planted through tight corners, while the advanced braking system ensures that you always have full control when slowing down from high speeds. Another fascinating aspect of the 2026 Alfa Romeo 4C is how it blends modern technology with old-school driving excitement. Unlike many modern sports cars that rely heavily on electronic assistance, the 4C allows the driver to feel more connected to the machine. This raw driving experience is something that true car lovers deeply appreciate. The steering is direct, the throttle response is immediate, and every movement feels authentic. Of course, Alfa Romeo has also ensured that the 2026 4C includes modern safety features. Advanced driver assistance systems work quietly in the background to enhance safety without interfering with the pure driving character of the car. Features like stability control, traction management, and intelligent braking systems help maintain confidence even when pushing the car to its limits. When it comes to performance, the numbers are impressive, but the real magic lies in how the car feels. The 4C can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, and its top speed places it firmly among serious sports cars. Yet what truly defines this machine is the way it communicates with the driver. Every corner, every acceleration, and every braking moment becomes an exciting interaction between human and machine. Visually, the 2026 model introduces subtle refinements that make the car even more striking. Updated aerodynamic elements improve airflow around the body, enhancing both performance and stability at high speeds. New wheel designs, fresh color options, and refined lighting details give the 4C a modern touch while preserving its iconic identity. For collectors and enthusiasts, the Alfa Romeo 4C has always held a special place in the sports car world. It represents a rare philosophy in today's automotive industry, the idea that less weight and pure driving emotion can create a more thrilling experience than simply adding more power or technology. The 2026 version continues this philosophy with even greater refinement. Owning a car like the 4C is not just about driving, it is about being part of a legacy. Alfa Romeo has spent decades building some of the most beautiful and exciting cars ever created, and the 4C proudly carries that tradition into the modern era. Every detail, from the sculpted body to the roaring engine, reflects the passion of Italian automotive design. As the sun sets and the engine cools after an exhilarating drive, you realize that the 2026 Alfa Romeo 4C is more than just a sports car. It is a reminder of why people fall in love with driving in the first place. It is raw, emotional, beautiful, and thrilling all at the same time. And that is exactly why the 2026 Alfa Romeo 4C continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. If you believe that driving should always feel exciting, then this remarkable machine proves that the spirit of true sports cars is still alive and stronger than ever.